Hey, okay. Last video I just did. It's too long. Getting bored of waiting for it to upload.
Motherfucker.
So this is
I'm still gonna die, Austin. You can tell.
the
Look, Austin.
thing. This
Austin,
is
I'm fucking
one of the
dying.
guns that my friend finished. The Strike Fire, I think. Right, man? Strike Fire, right?
What?
This
I don't know.
red tire thing. Oh yeah, but if you look, this. Wait, one sec. Gosh, this piece right here.
Holy crap! Did
Shows
you see that,
jiggle.
Austin? Look. Okay. Austin, he went, hold, I don't want to do it, and they did a backflip.
Oh yeah, one of the dogs on Nazi Zombies just did a backflip. And if y'all play PS3, y'all suck. Not to be mean or anything, but y'all suck.
Wait, are you taking a video right now?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
You didn't
Hello,
know?
Tweet.
And then we've just finished this.
Let's go, bro.
It's
One
Mag
fucking
Strike.
win at a fucking time.
And let me try to get
I can
this.
see
We
that
put silver on the top, and we messed up one of the clips. Do you have the other clip? You do? We put too much paint on this one. We're like drowning in paint. So then we scratched some of it off, and it still didn't work. So that one's probably gonna go in the trash, or we're gonna mess around with that. Like throw it at our friends, cause that would be fun, right, man? Be like, ah. And then this one is broken. It's gonna be an extra shell after I buy a new one for my friend, cause this is his. And I'm probably gonna buy him a red one, cause I don't like the yellow shit.
They failed the yellow one.
I know. I don't get why they started the yellow long shots. They suck.
The yellow series.
Yeah, the yellow series. They suck. This is broken. See? You can see. It's like, okay, broken. Okay, cocked it right. See the trigger, right? Damn fire. Okay, screw that. I'm selling this. It's a clear knife finder. It's and my friend has two more that are still in the package, red darts and all. For $5. I'm selling this one for $2 because it's broken. And I'm gonna do a tutorial. Yeah, a tutorial of how to take the air restrictors out, but not on this one because this one's gonna be sold. But there's only one thing wrong with this one. Is catch plate right here is broken. So, well, it's not broken, but the spring right there is just uh too small. So just get a little bit larger spring. Because when I opened this the first time to try to get the air restrictor out, the spring like blasted off and I couldn't find it. So I was like so pissed. And I was happy I had another thing in there. I had another spring in my um in my crap box. So I was like, okay. I had an extra one, so I was like, all right, yay. And then it was too small, so I was so mad. But I'm almost done with this video. Gosh, man, why do you not want to be in the video? You always want to like stick your hands and crap in it, but you don't want to be in it.
Yep.
Why? You don't like people to see your awesomeness? Okay, I'm always gonna be the guy that makes videos for him and for except for zombies. He'll be doing the zombie ones because that's the only thing he wants to do is make zombie videos. Yeah, zombie glitches, zombie mods, and if we end up getting into a modded lobby, we're always gonna tell you the gamer tag because then you can always like try to ask him, hey man, you want to play zombies? And it's like, yeah. So, well, they usually say yeah. We have a friend named Sickness, right? but he's not accepting any friend requested right now. So I don't know.
Selling modded this.
And he's selling modded discs. It's like so beast. So if you want to be a modder, act, go to um Snipeinator with the I being a 1, with the E being a 3, and with the with the 0 being a no, with O being a 0. I'm sorry that took so long, but Snipeinator or if you want to, you can go to Sniper Recruit.
Or you use my profile.
Or you can go to Wolf Zero, which is in all caps, right? All caps. Wolf 054321. That's the guy that's on the bed, and I'm Snipeinator. Snipeinator. My friend made it for me. Or you can go to Snipers 54321.
4321.
4321?
Yes.
Okay. Well, it's retarded, but just go to like mine or his. No, wait, his. And I'm sorry, this guy. I'm messing up like a lot. I'm so mad right now. And I need to talk to some guy, so I'm just making this video because I have spare time. It's like, gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm wasting your time. I'm wasting my time because I need this guy to message me back. I'm trying to buy a shell from him and a long shot shell to be exact, so I can have a third awesome long shot because I'm hopefully gonna make a couple of long shots. I'm planning on buying a perfectly new long shot, a triple shot, even though it has like 10 barrels. I don't know if that's what they're called. Where I live, they have them at Toys R Us, right? That's what it's called here? Yeah, Toys R Us. So, if you live in San Antonio, Texas, not going to tell you my address because that would be weird. Not copying the guy that I'm trying to get a shell from, but that would be weird if I told you my address because then it would be like, let's go to this guy's house because he bought some stuff and he's selling long shots. Well, he's selling, yeah, I'm probably going to sell a lot of long shots.
Time, Austin.
Yes, I am wasting time. But I'm selling long shots. Just send me a message saying, oh, I want a long shot. I'll check my messages every day unless I'm not at my house. If I'm at my grandma's, I'll try to check them. Because I go to my grandma's a lot.
Our computer's 1987.
Yes, and my grandma's computer is actually pretty new. Well, at least her CPU unit is new. It accepts CDs, not DVD-ROMs and VHSs. It's like, how about you go hack your VHS and get the marshmallow monster to come eat it? I'm just waiting for a guy to message me back, so I don't really. I'm just wasting time. But I'm probably gonna sell like 4 long shots. I'm selling one to him. No wait, him. Shit, I hate this computer webcam thing, my Bobby. Okay, but look, the description is right there. The only thing I like about this is it's below us. Ugh. Gosh, I'm so pissed right now. Cause I'm buying like 4 feet of FBR from, and it's like a fourth of an inch bigger than what it's supposed to be. But I don't really care.